Welcome to this video, which will show you how Cortex XSOAR automates prioritization of Prisma Cloud VM alerts. Let's take a look at a use case. Prisma Cloud provides a lot of data about your cloud resources. It also creates alerts when there is a security issue, whether it's a config, a build, or a network flow risk. You can run this query to retrieve all EC2 instances that have a public IP. However, you still need to correlate this list with existing alerts and manually assign priority, which can take time. With Cortex XSOAR, you can automate the alert prioritization by using the Prisma Cloud VM Alert Prioritization Playbook. The Prisma Cloud V2 content pack includes multiple commands which interact with Prisma Cloud's API. The playbook uses 3 of these commands to retrieve all necessary data for this use case. Those commands are Prisma Cloud Permission List, Prisma Cloud Host Finding List, and Prisma Cloud Config Search. Let's take a look at how the playbook flow handles an incoming incident. The first section determines which query to use to get information about the VM public IP, if it exists. It differentiates between AWS, GCP, and Azure. If no public IP is found, the incident severity is set to low and the incident is closed. If the VM does have a public IP, the playbook continues with 2 other checks: whether the instance has any findings or vulnerabilities related to it, and whether IAM permissions are attached to it. Based on the results of those queries, the playbook sets the incident severity as medium if neither of the queries return results, high if one of the queries return results, or critical if both queries return results. If anything is found, the playbook continues to the notifications and ticketing section. We can choose to create a JIRA issue, send a Slack message, or do both based on the relevant playbook inputs. At the end, the incident is closed if the close incident after notification playbook input is set to true. Now let's take a look at the incident layout. There are 2 main tabs, Case Info and Investigation. Under the Case Info tab, you see the following sections: Case Details, the Prisma Cloud Alert Summary, IAM Permission Results, Finding Results, and Notification and Ticketing Results. You can see for this use case the JIRA issue created by the incident. You can also see the related Slack message with all the details. Under the Investigation tab, you see the following sections: Violated Policy Details, Violating Resource Details, and all extracted and enriched indicators that were extracted during the incident ingestion and while the playbook runs. In this use case, you can see that there is one IP that is set as malicious. Clicking the IP shows data about the IP in the indicator quick view. You can click Full View to see more details about the indicator. Lastly, you can also view any remediation actions taken at the end of the incident investigation. Thanks for watching.